Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Geospatial, and in this quick video we're going to look at how to perform ANN. ANN means average nearest neighbor. So I have a hospital or healthcare facilities in Katsina local government of Katsina state, and I want to know if this data that I have, the distribution are sparse, cluster, or dispersed. So ANN will assist me to measure the distribution of pattern of this point. So mind you, for you to perform average nearest neighbor, you need to be on the projected coordinate system. Right, so I have projected mine. You can see that I have it in a UTM, so I wrote HC UTM, so it has been projected. If we go to attribute table, you will see that we have it in projected coordinate system, and I recalculated the coordinate using the calculate geometry. So you can see that the coordinates are in UTM zone 32. All right, so let's go into doing that. So what you need to do next is to go to insert, so the analysis, and you click on the toolbox. Then from here you make sure you have average nearest neighbors searched, and then you just click on search. So once I search this, I should see average nearest neighbor, so I'll click on it. Now once I do that, we need to bring in this, which is our healthcare UTM. Now the distance method, will leave it as Euclidean. So we check generate report. Now we'll also make sure we have the area of the Katsina local government. Yeah, so I have that from the ArcGIS desktop, so I'm just going to copy that. Alright, so I'm using ArcGIS Pro. I didn't say that previously, so I'm using ArcGIS Pro 3.4.2. so I'll right click and I'm going to paste this address and this area. So I don't know whether it is compulsory, but it's written optional. So once that is done, you click on run. So once I run it, now mind you, average nearest neighbor will not give you a map. What it will give you is a statistical report. So if you check down here, because we check report while we're doing that, if you look down here, you see it is a report file, which looks like a link in the temporary folder. So you can see we have the nearest neighbor ratio, which is 0.7, the z-score, which is minus 4.7, and the p-value, which you have it is 0.00002. Now we have it showing whether it's cluster, it's random, or it's dispersed. So we have a total of observed mean distance 477 meters, expected mean distance 652.770 meters. And there is one which are repetition of what is up here. So basically, this is what you will get when you do average nearest neighbor. It will give you the statistical data, enabling you to know if your data are cluster or dispersed or random. So that will help you in most of the cases when you're doing a different study. This will help you to have a better understanding, and most of the times your supervisors could ask for you to, maybe after you've done everything, say you must do average nearest neighbor, or you say do spatial autocorrelation. So this is one of it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.